Now the next thing we're going to do is measure out our distilled water and our lye to make the lye water solution that is essential to soap making. So we're going to pour the water into a separate container to make it a little bit easier to measure. Okay. Okay, so we're going to pour some out. Go ahead. A little bit more. All right, good. Next, we pour out the lye. Now we're going to measure out the lye solution. So before we even begin to pour out the lye, safety is of the utmost importance. So before you get into this part, you must have on a long sleeve shirt, long pants, closed toe shoes, goggles, and gloves.